Hey, I'm Jeff with Silver Sport Transmissions, and today Slam and Sam is going to show us how to check input shaft into play on a TKX. Here we go. Okay, so here's the setup. We have a fixture on the build table that allows us to rotate the transmission vertically. It is literally hanging from the face of the transmission. That lets all of the guts just kind of hang internally. We have a foot pedal down here, and what happens when Sam pushes the pedal, it's going to push all of the stuff up in there. And as you can see, this one is at 3 thousandths. I can't see that.
Yep.
Okay. So this one's at 3 thousandths. The maximum input shaft in play is 5 thousandths of an inch per Tremec. We shoot for less than that if we can achieve it. If you need to correct it, there is a bearing race and shims under the retainer. When you pull the retainer off, flip it over, there's a bearing race, pull the race out, and the shims are under that retainer. That's how you adjust this. We're talking thousandths of an inch. Anything beyond 5 thousandths, you're going to have a fourth gear grind or do some other damage internally. So that is how you check input shaft into play on a Tremec TKX 5-speed.